People don't know that I can't smile if I don't have my lip balm. I am addicted to my lip balm.
People forget that they think that they can use all the fanciest products in the world and look beautiful. No.
Definitely my sunblock.
My lip balm. I can't smile. People don't know that I can't smile if I don't have my lip balm. I am addicted to my lip balm.
I can leave my house without any beauty product. But if I have to still say something, it would be lipstick.
Sunscreen.
Mascara and a blush.
Moisturizer. Sunblock, definitely. And a little bit of gloss.
So I drink a lot of water because one thing I used to always miss is not drinking water at all. Sometimes I've only had like half a liter and I've, passed the day. But yes, I drink a lot of water now. I clean my skin. No matter I party till 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., I have to, do my skin regime, that is cleaning, moisturizing, toning, all that. I do that. And yeah, I think third thing is just genetics. I'm blessed with good skin.
Lipstick, lipstick, lipstick.
A great serum, workout. People forget that they think that they can use all the fanciest products in the world and look beautiful. No. If you don't get a good workout and don't eat healthy, you're in for a lot of trouble.
That's drinking water. Because if you're hydrated, I don't think you need any makeup.
So, it's a very old nuska, but I love to have hot water. Sometimes I put lemon, sometimes I don't, but hot water is a must.
After the shower, I put a serum and then I put my sunscreen, which is very important. As I wake up, I go out and I have my tea. My tea in a glass, black tea with a little milk.
Which color dominates my wardrobe? White and beige. If you open my wardrobe, I literally have no colors. See, I have no colors. And black is also there because it's the safest color.
Black. I think that's everyone's story.
To be honest, there was a time where I was a little healthier in life and I had only black craze. And then there came a time where I only wore vibrant colors. But till today, I think the most dominating color in my wardrobe would be white. I have too many whites. I'm obsessed with white. And then black. And then reds. Yeah.
I'm thinking, I think floaters, like the sandals. They're so comfortable, yeah. And it's so hot. If you don't want to wear sneakers, the next comfortable thing is floaters. Somewhere between slippers and sneakers.
I think bell bottoms and those checkered shirts. I love checks, so yeah.
There was a lot of vibrant colors in the 90s, I think. So, vibrant prints and all of that. So maybe that.